Children, we have done the words meaning and difficult word. Now I am giving you the explanation of lesson number 18, friends and flatters. First paragraph, everyone that flatter thee is no friend in misery. Words are easy like the wind, faithful friends are hard to find. Now here the poet is Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. Now he's saying that everyone um, who is flattering us, flattering means who is just ditching us or in front of our face, they are appreciating us, but for their own use, and after they have been used us, they have been leaving us, and they are not, they are not the real friend. The words are easy. Words, whatever we speak out, they are easy like the wind, but the faithful friends are very hard to find. Means friends, we have many friends, but the true friend is very hard to find. Every man will be thy friend, whilst thou hast where no spent, whilst thou hast wherewith to spend. But if store of crowns be sent, no man shall supply thy want. Now they are saying that every man they are been in this world is our friend, but while they were to spend the something, there is money. When there is money, the friends are along with us, and when we are poor, then they will go out, or they will be went away apart from us. So no man shall supply their want. So they every person is being means they are being attracted towards money. If that one be bountiful, they will him call, and with such like flattering pity, but he were a king. Now they are saying that here, the person who spent the money freely, and the people are being attracted towards him for because they are in need of money, and this money is like a call to the people who are attracted, and they are been coming towards that person who is distributing money or been spending money for them, and they are like flatters. So here the poet has been saying that pity, have pity on the king who is spending lots of money. But if fortune once do frown, then farewell his great renown. They had frowned on him before, use his company no more. He that is thy friend in need, he will help thee in thy need. If thou sorrow, he will weep. If thou wake, he cannot sleep. Thus of every grief in heart, he with thee doubt bear apart. There are certain signs to know faithful friend from flattering foe. Now here the poet has been saying that the fortune is there, and the fortune means the luck has been there, and there is no favorable, and the farewell has been renowned, and here the flattery people have been there, and if the person is been understand the difference between good and bad, he can easily point out whether he is friend or an enemy. So there he said that a person is who is a friend, he will always, or he or she will always help friend when, and he will weep, means he will cry when his friend is in sorrow or in difficulty, and he will laugh when he is happy, and he will wake along with his friend when he cannot sleep. So there he is saying in the last paragraph that every grief or the sorrow is in our heart is bear apart, and there are certain signs to know something we can able to know from the person attitude, his behavior, that whether he is our real or faithful friend or a flattering enemy. Means we can identify from his behavior. Okay children, this all from this poem. Now I will give you the exercise.